Nivanoo Review 2025 Legia Home Decor Store or Bar Caution. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming online home decor stores are always trustworthy. The surprising truth is that Nivanoo has a mixed reputation, so buyers should proceed with caution. Nivanoo offers a wide range of home decor items at affordable prices, including wall art, lamps and furniture. Product photos look appealing and some items have positive reviews. However, customer feedback highlights issues with delayed shipping, missing packages, and quality inconsistencies. You won't believe how often some buyers report receiving items that differ from the listing. Payment options are standard, including credit cards and digital wallets, but customer service can be slow or unresponsive. Returns and refunds may take weeks and policies aren't always clearly communicated. In conclusion, Nivanoo can be legitimate for low-risk purchases like small decorative items, but exercise caution with expensive products. Research reviews, check return policies, and avoid high-value orders until confidence in delivery reliability is established.